This is the all-new Garvee 8000 BTU all-in-one air conditioning system. They were actually cool enough to send it out to me for free to test it out and give out an honest review on this. So first of all, this is 8000 BTU and will effectively cover around 400 square feet. And it's super easy to install. Instead of open window ACs, we simply just open a window and just add this lid in here, and this plugs in for the exhaust. This goes in here. And then also for the water, so like normal ACs do make that water a condensation over time, but in this one we can just keep it running, and then it will give us a warning when the water tank is full. You can just empty out that, or you can actually just wire this up, so then you just have like continuous drainage system how we have it in like traditional ACs. And then overall this thing performs really well. It's actually rated to like actually like a cool in a small room, which is like 300 square feet, but we've like actually been using this around in a big living room, which is 900 square feet, and this thing cools really well. So it will actually like drop the temperature from 78 to 73 and 74, and it will just like maintain that at 74. Once again, I would like recommend doing that, because to like actually like get the full potential out of this, you should actually be using this in like a room which is under 300 square feet. But just to like showcase how good this is, and also we were actually using it on low fan speed. So of course, if we did it on high, we could have easily dropped it to 70 degrees, but we were we were always using it on low. And overall, this thing is really energy efficient. As you can see, they do have the guide on the side over here, and this like we also make it really easy to move this around. And then the other thing about this is way better than the window AC is, if you're just like someone who's by yourself and you just want to easily install it, this is super easy. You don't need extra help to actually install this, because all you have to do is just install this over here and you are good to go. So that's why I would like 100% recommend this. Really good unit. And the other thing is, of course, all AC units do make condensation. Of course, this does as well. And as I did mention before, that we do have those like 2 extra ports right over here. This one is for a continuous outdoor, and this one is to just drain this. So currently for me using it more than a week, and this unit like runs 10 hours a day, and for a whole week this has been 70 hours, and then in 70 hours this thing is still not full. That is just really impressive. And of course, once this is full, it will actually give you a warning on the top. It will turn off. Then you can just go outside, remove this valve over here, and then just like drain out. So I'll like 100% recommend this. Link will be in my bio.